Hey families, are you looking for some ways to support your child's learning this school year? I'm Felipe. I'm the video manager at Khan Academy. I'm also a parent, like you.
Khan Academy just released a brand new course called Khan for Parents, so you can boost your child's learning on Khan Academy.
Whether you're a parent, guardian, grandma, or grandpa, this course is jam-packed with resources for you and your families. There are dozens of videos and exercises for homeschooling parents, families of students in one of our partner districts,
Or like me, someone who just needs a quick reminder on how to solve two-digit multiplication.
Even I know that, Dad.
Yeah, you do.
Check out Khan Academy for Parents, where you'll find everything from setting up an account for your child, monitoring and encouraging progress, and even tips on how to boost learning with our AI-powered tutor, Khanmigo.
Artificial intelligence not your thing yet? That's okay. We'll show you some ways for you to jump in yourself to help your kiddo when they get stuck.
There's so much for you and your family this back-to-school season, all for free.
Now, if I could just get some tips on how to help her keep her room clean.
My room is clean, Dad.
You're right, it is.
Check out Khan Academy for Parents today.